Value of the month. Each month is adorned with a special value. We learn and imbibe, all to consciously transform ourselves.
Today, through these performances, we will celebrate how courage leads us to progress and how these values guide us every day. So let's discover the power of courage and the joy of progress.
Courage is not just about being fearless. It is about standing up for what is right, even after we fail. It is courage that lights the path to progress, helping us to grow, learn, and move forward in life.
In 1857, when India rose against the British, one woman stood as a symbol of courage and strength, Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi. She was not just a queen, she was a warrior who chose freedom over fear. In a sword in her hand and heart full of love for her motherland, she proved that true bravery has no limits. Today, we bring to life her spirits and fight for freedom. The fort of Jhansi, the sound of war drums echoing. Soldiers prepare weapons. Rani Lakshmi Bai stands tall in armor. Tatya Top enters with his men.
Rani Sahib, the British forces have captured the southern gates. We must fall back or surrender.
Fall back? Surrender? No, Tatya. Jhansi does not retreat. Jhansi fights. Mother, will they take me away? No, my son. As long as I live, no one can touch you. You are the future prince of Jhansi. Rani Ma, the British general, has sent a message. He says that surrender and he will spare your life. Tell General Ross, I will not give my Jhansi to anyone.
But their army is humongous, their cannons, their rifles,
And yet they lack what we have, the spirit of freedom.
Rani Sahiba, will you go to the battlefield with your son?
Tatya ji, Jhansi will not bow. I may be a woman, but I carry the strength of thousand swords. Let them come. Every drop of my blood belongs to my motherland.
brave words, Bharani. Your courage is the flame that lights every warrior's heart.
Yes, but remember, this fight is not for throne or crown. This is for Bharat Mata, for the right of every child yet unborn to live free.
But if we fall, our sacrifice will awaken thousands more. The British may have guns, but we have truth and courage. That is our real strength.
Let us fight, Tatyaji. Today Jhansi will roar. Let the enemy know the daughter of India does not fear death. I will fight till my last breath of freedom.
Jhansi's pride rise with you, Rani Sahib.
Let the world remember, this queen did not die in fear, but lived and fought with honor. Har Har Mahadev! Har Har Mahadev! To freedom, to sacrifice, to victory!
General Ross has all the praises for Rani Lakshmi Bai.
She fights like a lioness. She's more than a queen. She is a warrior.
And though Jhansi fell in the hands of British, Rani Lakshmi Bai became a symbol of India and undying example of courage and how she fought for freedom. A queen whose courage goes through history. दिखा गई पद, सिखा गई हमको जो सीख सिखानी थी. बंदे हल बोलो के वो हमने सुनी कहानी थी. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली.